In this video, I am going to show you how to get verified in Threads. So, if you are verified on Instagram, your verification automatically carries over to Threads. And this means the only way to get verified on Threads is by getting verified on Instagram. With that in mind, to get your verified, of course, on like Instagram, you can just go to your Instagram account and, as example, go and click on settings. And here, what you'll have to look for is simply Meta Verified. You can keep scrolling down and look for it, or you can just simply use the search button here. So here you can just go and look for Verify, and as you can see, you'll find here Meta Verified. So click on it, and you will have to basically subscribe. As you can see, join the Meta Verified waitlist. Connect authentically with your customers and stand out as legitimate brand. So you'll get a verified badge to show your customers that you're the real deal with the verified badge that shows where you do. And of course, impressions or impersonation like protection to protect your business with proactive identity monitoring and customer support to contact help when you need it. Final benefits will depend on your subscription details. Some benefits may not be available to everyone. So here you can see first of all the eligibility requirements. And if you meet those eligibility requirements, you'll be able to get the badge or the verified badge on Instagram and then automatically on Threads right away. So as you can see, you should be at least 18 years old, be located in a country with Meta Verified is available, and all the other stuff in here, as you can see. So if you want that, you can simply just click on join the waitlist. And as you can see, you are on the waitlist. You can click on OK or leave the waitlist whenever you want. For me, I'm just going to leave that waitlist. So yeah, once you get verified, you can simply now just go to your threads and you should find yourself, I don't even have it installed. And you should find yourself, as an example, verified there as well. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.